Hi guys, welcome to Unreal Engine video tutorial series. In this video, I would like to discuss how we can blend textures in Unreal Engine. We understand how we can blend material textures in Unreal Engine. We also understand how we can mix colors, in Unreal Engine. So let's get started. I right click here and say new folder. I call it textures. To the textures folder, I'm going to bring these two textures, would create diffuse map and the normal map. I'm going to drag and drop them. You can see that would create diffuse map and would create normal map. Both textures are imported. I say save all, save selected. Next, I right click and say new folder. I name it materials. In the materials folder, I'm going to create a new material. Right click, create material, m_create. I hit enter. You can see m_create material is created. I double click to open it. You can see m_create material is open. Let's preview it on the cube. Okay, you can see now we are previewing our material on this cube. Next, to define the base color, of course we take help of the texture sample node. I select the texture sample node and then here I say would create diffuse map. I select, and if I connect the RGB pin to base color, you see the create texture is applied, right? You can see create texture is applied now. I'm going to copy the texture sample node and paste here. Here I select the ground grass diffuse map. If I connect the RGB pin to base color, you can see now grass texture is applied. If I connect this RGB pin to base color, create texture is applied. If I connect this RGB to base color, grass texture is applied. What actually I want is I want to blend these two textures. So how do we blend? To blend, we take help of the Lerp node, linear interpolate node. I connect the create RGB to A, grass RGB to B, and here I set the alpha value 0 and the output I connect to base color. Now you see when alpha value is 0, create texture is getting applied. If I set alpha value to 1, grass texture is getting applied. What is the meaning of that? If alpha value is 0, it returns the A pin. If alpha value is 1, it returns the B pin. That is what linear interpolate is all about. If I use 0.5 and hit enter, now we see blend of these two textures, guys. Now both create as well as grass textures are applied to the cube. You can see that. You can see here clearly, right? So that is how the Lerp works, guys. See, if I say 0, create texture is getting displayed, right? If I say 0.1, slowly we move from this texture to this texture, guys. If I increase the value 0.1, 0.2, you see now the grass is slowly getting appeared, right? If I say here 0.4, you see 0.6, you see now the grass has more strength here. 0.8, you see 0.9. now the create texture is getting disappeared, right? So if I say 1, you can see the grass texture is getting appeared here. So 0.5 is a blend of these two, right? A 50-50% blend of these two, guys. So you can blend textures like this using the Lerp. You can also use another texture sample node for alpha. Control C, Control V. I'm going to search for the noise texture. So here we have a black and white noise texture. Here we have the black and white noise texture, guys. So white means 1, black means 0, guys. White means 1, black means 0. So wherever the black color is there, okay, there the create texture is going to be displayed because create texture is returned when the alpha value is 0, right? Wherever white pixels are there, the grass texture is displayed because white indicates 1, guys. So if I connect this to alpha, you see clearly there is a nice blend of these create texture and the grass texture, guys. See here you can see more of create texture, because in this place if you observe we have black in this place, right? Black, in the black we are getting more create, in the white we are getting more grass texture. So that is how you can use the texture sample nodes, blend them with the black and white, this noise texture, guys. I hope you guys are clearly understanding. We can use the normal map also. So again, I'm going to copy this and paste down, and here I'm going to select the normal map, and if I connect to normal, you get more details. You can see that's nice, awesome, right? So we have more details here because of the normal map. I hope you guys have clearly understood how we can use the Lerp node to blend textures. Now let's see how we can use the Lerp node to blend colors. Okay, I delete everything from here. Try it yourself. Okay, try it yourself. To use colors, I take help of the constant 3 vector node, and I use another constant 3 vector node here because we want to mix these two colors. Here I'm going to choose the red, and here I choose the cyan color, red and cyan. Now if I connect this RGB to base color, we get red color here. If I connect this RGB to base color, we get cyan color applied. I want to blend them. So what I have to do, guys, I'll be using the Lerp node, linear interpolate. I connect this to A, I connect cyan to B, I connect result to base color. So as it is 0.5, it is going to mix these two and gives a result like this. Now if I use 0 here, let's say 0 red, if I say 1, it's going to give us the cyan color. Now if we want, we can animate this with the help of cyan node, guys. So I am going to use the cyan node. We know that cyan returns the value between -1 and 1. I connect this to here, and then cyan I give time, guys, time. So as I give time, the cyan value changes from -1 to 1. Automatically you will see that it is switching between these two colors over here. So alpha value is changing from here 0 to 1, 1 to 0. So that's the reason you can see that it's giving a nice animation here. We can increase the speed if you want. You can increase the speed by increasing the time speed. So simply we can use a multiply node. We can use a multiply node, connect the result over here, and then here I say 5 speed. So now you see more faster blinking, right? If you want, you can connect the result to the emissive color so that you can get the nice brightness, self-illuminating material, right? And if you want, you can definitely increase more brightness just by multiplying the Lerp. So if I say here 50, you get a glowish material, guys. You see here, see, nicely we created a glowish material here. So if I save this, go to level 1 and drag and drop a cube or a sphere, whatever, and if I apply this to it, you see we are getting a nice glowish material we are able to create, guys. So like this, you can use the Lerp node in your Unreal Engine to blend colors, textures, to create nice animated colored materials and all self-illuminating objects. I hope you guys have clearly understood. I suggest you people to try this yourself. Okay, try it yourself. If you still have any doubts, feel free to put them in the comment section, guys. I'll be happy to clear. In the upcoming video tutorials, we discuss more about Unreal Engine. For more benefits and be up to date, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Keep learning, keep designing, keep sharing. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.